Hi students, I welcome you all for today's online class. In today's class, we are going to learn about different forms of equation of the plane. Before getting into this topic, equation of the plane, you have to know one or two concepts, important concepts. The first one is a normal. The word normal is a straight line which is perpendicular to the plane is called a normal to the plane. ஒரு plane இருக்கு. This is a plane. If a straight line which is pointing towards you. So in the straight line, this straight line is called the normal to this plane. இந்த பிளேனுக்கு இதுதான் வந்து normal. So that is a normal. Normal அப்படின்னு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. Normal அப்படின்றது ஒரு straight line. Normal is a straight line which is perpendicular to the given plane. So this is one important concept. Normal to the plane is perpendicular to every straight line lying on the plane. So normal to a plane. This is a normal. This is a plane, and this line is called the normal line. This normal line is perpendicular to every line in this plane. In the plane இருக்கிற எல்லா லைனுக்குமே normal அப்படின்ற இந்த வெக்டார் which is perpendicular to this. இதுக்கு perpendicular, இந்த line perpendicular. For this line also it is perpendicular. For this line, every line it is perpendicular. So the normal is perpendicular to every line in the plane. So these two concepts you have to know. Now we will see the formula related to this exercise 6.6. Now we are going to see the exercise 6.6. For that, the related formula to this is equation of a plane when a normal to the plane and the distance of the plane from the origin are given, then the vector equation is r dot d cap is equal to p. That means normal means a straight line, that is called, that should be taken as d vector. Normal அப்படின்றது ஒரு வெக்டார், d vector அதை எடுத்துக்கிறீங்க, that is a normal vector, and the distance from the plane to the origin, that should be taken as p. So இது ரெண்டும் கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. Then the formula for that is r dot d cap is equal to p. The Cartesian is, you no need to use this formula. Straight away from this vector you can write the Cartesian form. Just write it. No need to memorize this. This alone is enough. R dot d cap is equal to p. Then the equation of the plane perpendicular to a vector. Perpendicular to a vector, that means a normal vector, that is n vector, and passing through a given point. That point should be taken as a vector. Then the vector equation is r minus a dot n vector equal to 0, or you can write this as r dot n equal to a dot n. R dot n is equal to a dot n. So இந்த ரெண்டு இதுல எதனாலும் நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So இதை யூஸ் பண்ணினா ஈஸியா இருக்கும். For that also the Cartesian equation, you no need to use this. From this answer straight away you can write the Cartesian equation. So take down these two formulae. We will move on to the exercise 6.6. Okay, in the exercise 6.6, the first sum is, look at the book. Find a parametric form of vector equation of a plane which is at a distance of 7 units from the origin, having 3, minus 4, 5 as direction ratios of a normal to it. Here the two things are given to you. The first one is 7 units, the distance of 7 units, that is taken as p. P is equal to 7 units, and then the normal vector, that is d vector, is given to you. Normal, which is in the direction ratios formula. I am going to write this in the vector form. 3i cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap. So this is the normal vector. So the normal and the distance from the plane to the origin is given. So for that, the vector equation is, the formula to find the vector equation is r dot d cap is equal to p. So first you have to find the d cap. The formula to find the d cap means the vector by its modulus. For any vector you have to find the cap vector, means you have to write the vector in the numerator and you have to write the modulus of that vector in the denominator. ஒரு வெக்டார் உடைய கேப் வெக்டார் எழுதணும் அப்படின்னா வெக்டார் பை இட்ஸ் மாடுலஸ். ஸோ இந்த வெக்டார்ன்றது 3i cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap by modulus of this vector is 3 square is 9, 4 square gives 16, 5 square 25. So 3i minus 4j plus 5k by 41 root 50. Okay, this is d cap. Now you use the value in this formula. R dot d cap is 3i minus 4j plus 5k by root 50 equal to 7. Okay, root 50 can be written as 5 times root 2. 3i cap minus 4j plus 5k cap equal to 7. Root 50 எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா 5 root 2 னு எழுதலாம். Root 50 25 into 2 னு பிரிக்கலாம். 25 root out வெளில வந்தா 5 root 2. So 5 root 2 equal to 7. This is the vector form of plane. Cartesian கேக்கல, so no need to find out. Next, in the second sum, find the direction cosines of the normal to the plane 12x plus 3y minus 4z equal to 65. Also find the normal non-parametric form of vector equation of the plane and the length of the perpendicular to the plane from the origin. They ask you to find the three things. One equation of the plane is given to you, that is in the Cartesian form. So the Cartesian form of equation is, 12x plus 3y minus 4z equal to 65. I am going to write this in the vector form. So vector equation is r dot 12i plus 3j minus 4k equal to 65. Okay, this is in the form of r dot d vector is equal to q. R dot d equal to q. So from this, the d vector is 12i plus 3j minus 4k vector. I am going to find the modulus of this d vector, that is root of 12 square is 144, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. If you add these three, you will get 169. If you take this 169 is a root of 13 square, so we will get the answer as 13. From this, I am going to write the equation, parametric equation of non-parametric equation, vector equation of a plane. So the equation of the plane எப்படி கிடைக்கும்னா இந்த 13 ஆல இந்த equation ஃபுல்லா டிவைட் பண்ணினா கிடைச்சிரும். So keep this as equation 1. So இந்த equation 1ல 13 இந்த சைடுல இங்கேயே டிவைட் பண்ணினா you will get the equation as r dot d cap equal to p. r dot d cap equal to p. So d cap இங்க இருக்கு, p அப்படின்றது கிடைக்கணும்னா 13 ரெண்டு சைடுல டிவைட் பண்ணனும். So r dot d cap, what is d cap? 12i plus 3j minus 4k whole divided by 13 equal to 65 by 13. 65 13 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 5 வரும். So r dot 12i plus 3j minus 4k by 13 equal to 5. So this is the non-parametric vector equation. Okay, in the equation you can write the, from this equation you can write the direction cosine. So what is the direction cosine of this vector is 12 by 13 comma 3 by 13 comma minus 4 by 13. Then one more answer is they ask find the length of the perpendicular of the plane from the origin, that is p. P தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So the length of the perpendicular equal to 5. So the parametric vector equation is this. So இதான் the மூணு answer. Look at the book. Next in the third sum, find the vector and Cartesian equations of the plane passing through the point with the position vector 2i plus 6j plus 3k. That is the position vector, that means point. The point should be taken as a vector 2i plus 6j plus 3k. So this is the a vector and normal to the vector. The normal vector is given as, that should be taken as n vector is equal to I plus 3j plus 5k. So these two are given. The point and the normal vector. If the point and the normal vector is given, then the vector form of equation is, then the vector equation formula is r dot n vector equal to A dot n vector. So R dot, what is the n here? I plus 3j plus 5k equal to, what is A? 2i plus 6j plus 3k dot I plus 3j plus 5k. So I am going to take the dot product of these two vectors. So 2 into 1, 2, 6 into 3 gives 18, 3 into 5 gives 15. So 20 plus 15, 35. So R dot I cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap is equal to 35. So this is the vector equation. From this I am going to write the Cartesian equation. So Cartesian equation கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So the Cartesian equation, if you replace this R as xi plus yj plus zk, if you substitute here xi plus yj plus zk dot I plus 3j plus 5k equal to 35 gives the answer as x plus 3y plus 5z equal to 35. 1 into x, y into 3, 3y, z into 5 gives 5z equal to 35. So this is the Cartesian equation. Next, in the fourth sum, a plane passes through the point minus 1, 1, 2 and normal to the plane of magnitude 3 root 3 makes equal acute angle with the coordinate axis. Find the equation of the plane. The point is given to you as minus 1, 1, 2. So write that as A vector is equal to minus I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. That is the vector A. And then the normal is makes an acute angle with the coordinate axis. So the formula for that angle is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. So alpha, beta or the gamma are the angle with the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x axis, y axis and z axis. We will get this condition. But here all the angles are equal. So I am going to take all the angles as alpha, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. Here alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. So 3 cos square alpha is equal to 1. Cos square alpha is equal to 1 by 3. Cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 3. So this is the angle. So with this angle we can write the normal vector. So n vector is equal to 3 root 3 times. And the magnitude into பண்ணிக்கணும். 3 root 3 times 1 by root 3 I plus 1 by root 3 j plus 1 by root 3 into k. So this is the normal vector. If you take the root 3 as common, 3 root 3 by root 3 into I plus j plus k, root 3 gets cancelled. So you'll get the answer as 3 times I plus j plus k vector. So this is the normal vector. So from this A and n, you can write the vector equation, the Cartesian equation. The vector equation is r dot n equal to A dot n vector. So r dot, here n vector is 3 times I plus j plus k equal to dot product of these two is A dot, A is minus I plus j plus 2k dot 3i plus 3j plus 3k gives minus 3 plus 3 plus 6. So the answer is 6. So r dot 3 times I plus j plus k. Here 3 is a common term. So 3 ஆல் divide பண்ணிடலாம். If you divide by 3, you will get r dot I plus j plus k equal to 2. So this is the vector form of equation. From this we can write the Cartesian equation also. The Cartesian equation is x plus y plus z equal to 2. Okay, அப்படியே இந்த ijk xyz replace பண்ணினா you will get the Cartesian equation. Okay, next in the fifth sum, find the intercepts cut off by the plane r dot 6i plus 4j minus 3k equal to 12 on the coordinate axis. The vector form of plane is given to you. First I am going to write this in the Cartesian form. So the Cartesian equation is 6x plus 4y minus 3z equal to 12. Replace this I, j, k as xyz. You will get the Cartesian equation of the plane. I am going to find the intercepts. So I am going to write this in the form of x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. In the frame kondu varanum. How will you get this? Just by dividing the constant. Inga right side la enna irukku 12. And the 12 alla divide pannunga. 6x by 12 plus 4y by 12 minus 3z by 12 equal to 12 by 12 gives x by 2 plus y by 3 minus z by 4 equal to 1. Here inga minus varakudadu. So I am going to bring this minus plus minus in denominator kondu vandirunga. Now this is the x intercept, y intercept and z intercepts. So that is a equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 4. So this is the intercept. Next, the last sum in this exercise, sixth sum. If a plane meets the coordinate axis a, b, c such that the centroid of a triangle ABC is the point u, v, w, find the equation of the plane. So I am going to draw a plane which is cut off by the coordinate axis. Let this be x, y and z axis a, b, c. So this is a plane. இது ஒரு plane. இந்த plane வந்து இந்த மூணு ஆக்சிஸையும் அப்படியே இப்படி கட் பண்ணுது at the point a, b, c in the x axis, y axis and z axis. So இதெல்லாம் x axis மேல கட் பண்றதுனால you can write this points as இது a, இது b, இது c அப்படின்னு அந்த intercepts எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா you can write this as a, 0, 0. Here 0, b, 0. Here 0, 0, c. So these are the 3 points cuts by the coordinate axis. So in the point G is the centroid கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. G is u, v, w. G ஓட intercept the coordinates வந்து u, v, w. Okay. If you treat this as triangle ABC, x1, y1, z1. Here this is x2, y2, z2 and this is x3, y3, z3 அப்படின்னு எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா G is the centroid. Okay, A வந்து a, 0, 0, B 0, B, 0, C 0, 0, C. Centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. We substitute these values here. You will get a plus 0 by 3, 0 plus b plus 0 by 3, 0 plus 0 plus c by 3, which gives a by 3, b by 3, c by 3. If you equate this with u, v, w, you will get a by 3 is equal to u, that is a is equal to 3u. Like that, b by 3 is equal to v, b is equal to 3v, c by 3 equal to w, c is equal to 3w. So these are the intercepts. Now I am going to find the equation in the intercept form. Intercepts கொடுத்ததனால intercept formula யூஸ் பண்றோம். X by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. X by, what is a here? 3u, b is 3v, c is 3w equal to 1. A, B, C 3 common ஆகிறதுனால so x by u plus y by v plus z by w equal to 3 common எடுத்துட்டு cross multiply பண்ணா you will get this equation. X by u plus y by v plus Z by W equal to 3. Okay students, with this exercise is over. I hope you understand all the sums. Copy down all the sums in your classwork note. I'll see you in the next video.